Are you wondering what healthy habits to start in the new year? With so many new trends on the horizon, no wonder we all wonder what new thing to be doing in the new year. Hi, I'm Mary Tate, a board-certified health and wellness coach and an essential oils educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you stick around till the end, you will have the opportunity to download my new freebie, How to Restore Your Gut Health Naturally. Every year brings a new wellness trend or a new diet theory that everyone wants to try out. And we all can be talked into trying that new something. But how do we know if it's what our body needs? There is one thing that can improve your health, and we all need it. What is it? Well, it's to restore healthy gut flora. What is the meaning of gut flora, you might ask? Well, gut flora is the bacteria that lives in our digestive tract. We have a mixture of good bacteria and bad bacteria, and we want more good bacteria to populate our digestive system so that we can improve our gut health. You might be wondering, why should we focus on our gut bacteria? Well, 70% of our immune system is found in our gut. And so that is one reason why we should. How do we do that? With foods and pre and probiotics. You might be wondering, what is a prebiotic? Basically, they are food for the probiotic. Prebiotic foods include legumes, so beans, peas, and chickpeas, cereals and whole grains, so oats, bran, barley, and rye, fruits like bananas, berries, grapefruit and olives, and extra virgin olive oil, veggies like garlic, leeks, and onions, and nuts and seeds like flax seeds, pistachios, and almonds. Probiotics is a mixture of good live bacteria that lives in our body, and we can get probiotics from certain foods and supplements. Probiotic foods include yogurt and sauerkraut and kimchi and kombucha and kefir and sourdough bread. Some people prefer to take a probiotic supplement as well. Supplements have become popular over the years as more research has come out showing that they are an effective way to increase our gut bugs. So many brands tout that they are the best, but research shows that the probiotics need to make it through our stomach acid and get deposited into our small intestines to really make a difference. That is why I only take doTERRA's probiotics, as they are backed by doTERRA's third-party testing and research department. Containing both pre and probiotics, it is unique that it is double encapsulated to be sure that the good bugs get where they are most beneficial, in our small intestine. After hearing how important our gut health is, I hope that you decide to give a few of these ideas a try in this new year. It's so important to focus on our gut health, and I hope that you have found this video helpful. And if so, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to download my freebie, which can be located in the description of this video. Also, hit subscribe to my channel for weekly tips on how to improve your overall health. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys all next time.